Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to solve a problem from Codeforces round 884 division 1 plus division 2 subtraction game. So let's see what the problem is telling us. So we have been given two positive integers a and b. We have to find some positive integer n. Here n denotes the number of stones. So the problem tells us that there are two positive integers a and b. They can take exactly a or b stones from the pile. Okay, the player who is unable to make a move loses. So we have to find such an integer n such that the second player always wins the game, no matter what move the first player makes. We have to find such an code. We have to write such a code such that the second player always wins. So let's see, the input that has been given to us are the number of test cases t and the two integers a and b. So and the output, you have to find such an integer n such that after any moves the second player always wins. So let's go to the code and code it out. So let's code it out. So include bits slash stdc plus plus dot h using namespace std int main. So then we have to input the number of test cases int t int t. So we will run the number of test cases while t minus minus. Then we have to find two inputs int a comma b. Then we take these inputs int a and b. So we have to find out such a sum n such that after exact the second player always wins. So for that, what we will do, we will simply return the sum of the two numbers such that in the first move the first player can take out exactly a numbers, and then the second player can take out the b numbers, so that at the end 0 remains and the first member cannot perform any more moves such that the second member wins. So what we will do, we will simply see out the summation of a plus b and end l, and finally return 0. Okay, so if we take some input, so the results can be anything depending upon your logic. So we have put it here. Let's run the code. 5 6 35. So if we write it here, okay, so 1 plus 4 equals to 5. Okay, so second player always wins. 1 plus 5 equals to 6. Second player always wins after taking out 5. And third is 9 plus 26 35. That first player takes out 9 and the second player then takes out 26. So the second player always wins. So let's comment it out and download the code. Let's submit it. The code gets accepted. Let me show you here. It is, I think, some internal issues, but this is the code and it got accepted. So thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.